The Republic of Belarus, the city of Gomel. There are main plants of the company Gomsельмаш, which has been known as the market of agricultural machinery since 1930. The modern Gomsельмаш is an innovative way of development, flexibility and multiple profiles. By manufacturing different models of the machinery palace of different purposes, the company provides most technological processes which are connected with harvesting of the main agricultural crops with machinery made by one manufacturer. In the history of Gomsельмаш, constant growth, improvement and modernization are closely linked to constant readiness to radical changes. On the 15th of October 1930, the first melt was made by the foundry. This date became the date of birth of a new plant. The first product was its driving silage cutter papek, other machinery for forage production, crop sector, flax and hemp cultivation. At the time, it was extremely necessary machinery. From manufacturing simple agricultural machinery in the 30s and 40s to the largest manufacturer of pull-type and then self-propel forage harvesters, from a plant to a large production association. This is the way Gomsельмаш has passed in the next 4 decades. The acquired experience was used in manufacturing block module complexes of machinery on the basis of the universal power machine, which were off the production line of the association at the end of the 80s. It was the power machine that became the basic one on the basis of which the constructors of Gomsельмаш manufactured grain harvesting complexes at the end of the 90s. The machinery opened a new important branch in Belarusian machinery construction. The absolute priority of the customer's demands, care of his profit, are at the basis of the whole work of Gomsельмаш, beginning at the first stage of the creation of a new machine. The design and service of the company is a large, well-equipped science technical center. Its specialists solve problems how to create machinery which would be effective not only in the present, but also in the future conditions. Virtual studies allow getting a highly reliable image of functioning of units of the future machine at the early stages of design. If it is necessary, calculations using supercomputers are made. Specialists from different science research institutes of the National Academy of Science are invited. The modern instruments used by constructors allow shortening the time of creating of a complex machine at least 1.5 times in comparison with recently used computer technologies. Field tests done in different soil climatic zones give the constructors the material for detailed analysis and improvement of the machines being created. To provide the maximum effect from each kilowatt of the power of the engine, from each liter of fuel, to raise the quality of harvesting and lower the payback period are the tasks of the creators of the machinery palace. In order to react promptly to the demands of the market of agricultural machinery, Gomsельмаш constantly makes renovation of its technological equipment. At the same time, the priority is given to the flexible engineering complexes from leading manufacturers whose products are considered to be the best in the world. Of the great importance for Gomsельмаш are works on the modernization of the foundry. In the foundry, there are inductive furnaces of average rate for smelting of cast iron of high solidity. These furnaces work automatically and have a program control of charging of the furnace. To perform melting, they choose the most economical regime of energy efficiency. The molding line with CNC works efficiently. Along with economy and getting metal of high quality, the new equipment allows improving ecology. In press preparing production, laser cutting machines with CNC control allow cutting out parts of any configuration from metal sheet with widths up to 14 mm completely at once without additional machining and with the minimum waste. Operation rate is kept up with the automatic transport systems which feed metal sheets for cutting. Sheet bending machines with CNC control keep in their memory 50,000 kinds of different bendings. Parts of complicated shape are bent in different planes up to 10 times. Such rapid manufacturing of complicated parts without expensive press tools and welding is cheaper, more durable and with high accuracy. This is the main quality of the laser cutting machines and presses with CNC control. In heat treating production, automatic lines of chemical heat treating allow performing complex processes of heat and chemical heat treatment of metals such as carburizing, carbonitriding, hardening, clean annealing, low and high tempering. All processes are controlled automatically with the help of the program software with the minimum participation of the operator. This allowed raising considerably the quality of heat treatment of units and the reliability of manufactured machines, the working conditions, lower power intensity. The mechanical process in production is equipped with new programming progressive equipment with CNC control and of the type processing center, which raises the labor productivity from 2 to 5 times. Multipurpose lathes with the use of the driving tool work at high speed. The equipment with the new type of tools allows treating complex units, two sides at one and the same time. Highly efficient centers for the treatment of gearboxes and highly accurate equipment for manufacturing gears raise the quality of manufacturing mechanical transmission. Modern measurement machines are used to raise the accuracy of manufacturing of units. The introduction of modern technologies in the paint production allows getting covers of exceptional solidity with improved decorative features. In the combined production system with computer control and management, ground is laid with the help of the method of cataphoresis, merging with the metal at the molecular level. Use painting and automatic regime by dispersing powder paints without using solvent. Grain harvesters became the main product of the production association Gomsельмаш, and in order to enlarge the capacities of their production, deep modernization of the general assembly and production line with opening of a new line of the conveyor has been done. Since 2008, grain harvesters have been assembled on the new line, and the selective delivery of units from the block of workshop donors is done by the system of pen and lines. The manufacturing of all models of grain harvesters in the modernized assemblage production provides the growth of the quality of assemblage and makes harvesters Palesia more attractive for customers in different countries and regions. Systems of management of the quality of design in production and technical service of the manufactured machinery are certified according to the standards ISO 9001-2009. As a result of tests, the main types of machinery, including new models of grain harvesters and forage harvesters, have got certificates of the European Union. The main type of product under the name Palesia is grain harvesters. A model row of harvesters, including machines with different throughput capacity, has been created. The grain harvesting combine KZS 812, Palesia GS 812, with capacity at grain mass not less than 8 kg a second, is a maneuverable machine with a reliable and simple one-threshing drum, easy driving and service. The combine is most effective in the fields with crop capacity of 40 quintals a hectare. The grain harvesting combine Palesia GS10 is also a one-threshing drum model of the classical scheme, but its capacity at grain mass is not less than 10 kg a second. Palesia GS12 is a combine for serious purposes. The threshing system with two drums with propulsion feeding device provides a capacity at grain mass not less than 12 kg a second and is well adapted for harvesting of high-yield crops, including threshing crops with humid cereals. All the combines Palesia are equipped with a 3-stage peeling, which allows getting clean bunker crops of high quality. Each of the models allows harvesting straw, laying it into swaths, or crushing and throwing it across the field. All models of the combine are equipped with modern cabins with panoramic window, an additional seat, an air conditioner, as well as an onboard computer. Gomsельмаш continues creating grain harvesting combines of high quality, which must combine high capacity with moderate power inputs. They also constantly improve the design of production machines and create their new modifications. Full-type roll headers, Palesia, and crops pickup attachments are efficiently used in separate crops harvesting. Such adapters as devices for rape harvesting, sets of equipment for maize harvesting for grain, crop soy headers enlarge the loading of combines, shorten the period of their payback. For many farms in different countries and regions, crops harvesting machinery Palesia has become a serious factor of quick harvesting of high quality. Forage harvesting machinery Palesia is in great demand in the markets of agricultural machinery in different countries. The self-propelled forage harvester Palesia FS60 with 235 horsepower engine is a machine for mass use. The combine is manufactured at joint enterprises and works with the use of machinery sets of Gomsельмаш. The forage harvesting complex Palesia FS80 with 450 horsepower engine is a machine for farms which store up forage in large quantity. The quality of these complexes has been proved in real conditions as well as in extreme conditions of forage harvesting by farmers from Argentina. The powerful forage harvesting complex Palese FS 8060 with 600 power horse engine has an onboard computer. A number of forage harvesting complexes with 380 and 600 power horse engines are manufactured on its basis. The forage harvesting machinery is also represented by universal power machines with 260 and 290 horsepower engines, which are used to store up different kinds of forage with removable mounted machines and adapters. The new universal power machine Palese U450 can be used not only with harvesting machines, but also on the tillage with modern multi-effect plows and sowing harvesters. They also manufacture pull-type and mountain forage harvesting combines, pull-type and mountain cutters. Besides grain harvesting and forage harvesting machinery, Gomsельмаш also manufactures potato harvesting combines, which are used with the most popular models of tractors. For the modern single-phase harvesting of sugar beet, the highly efficient self-propelled sugar beet combine Palese BS 624 has been manufactured in the CIS for the first time. In the Republic of Belarus, the machinery Palese makes the largest part of the whole park of combines. Gomsельмаш exports its machinery to different countries, among which there is Iran, Argentina, the Czech Republic, Slovakia. The main customers are the countries of the CIS. To bring the machinery to the customer to make it more accessible becomes possible due to joint enterprises and works which are in different countries. They manufacture combines Palese with the use of machine sets of Gomsельмаш as well as units of their own production. These machines are adapted to the conditions of local markets and can be manufactured under local trademarks. This way, every year in Kazakhstan at Konstantinski Diesel Works, they already manufacture hundreds of grain harvesting combines SIL 740 with the use of sets of Gomsельмаш. They also master the assemblage of new models of combines. In China, at the joint enterprise in Harbin, they assemble forage harvesting combines and master the production of absolutely new machines, corn ear harvesting combines. Having begun with the assemblage, each joint enterprise then masters more complex technological operations. The well-organized brand name service is one of the main answers to the question why customers in different countries choose the machinery Palese. A wide network of dealer centers functions according to the single enterprise standard. The dealer organizes field demonstrations during which every potential customer can see machines Palese in use, get exhaustive consultations. The dealer will make before-sale preparation and additional assemblage of machines will organize courses for machine operators both at the manufacturing works and at the dealer center. Will help the customer with a credit or leasing contract. Specialists at the dealer center will put the machine into operation, teach the machine operator how to achieve non-failure operating time. When it is necessary, brand name replacement part will be put in the combine in the short period of time after the first call, and the machine will learn work to the client's profit. The competent and quick service helps reveal the potential of the combines completely, minimize harvesting costs. That's why more and more agricultural manufacturers use the combines Palese as the main ones on their farms.